Did you know? Some people sneeze when they look at the sun. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. You might think it's just a coincidence. But it's actually a neurological response. The light triggers the trigeminal nerve, which also controls sneezing. So your brain mistakes the light for an irritant. And you sneeze. It's common in 18 to 30% of people. But it's not a sign of eye damage. It's just a weird brain quirk. Subscribe if you want to know why your brain is so weird. Oh, and if you want to try this yourself, check the description.